So I'm going to do a few tests with the GoPro Hero 9 using the media mod, then without the media mod, and then I'm going to do a test with a lav mic plugged into the media mod. All that against the Osmo Pocket 2. So I finally broke down and got the media mod for the GoPro Hero 9. And I thought I'd do some audio tests to see how it works against the Pocket 2. And all this is on the beach, Old Orchard Beach, Maine. Just kind of, you know, playing around. Right now I'm a little bit off the beach, but I'll go next to the water and walk along, talk about a few things, and then come back. And we'll see what the audio sounds like with each of them. All this audio testing should give you an idea on if the GoPro Hero 9 would be good to use as a vlogging camera. The real benefit of the Pocket 2 is that it's pretty unobtrusive. I mean, I can go certain places and people don't even know what it is, really. In some cases, they don't recognize it at all. But I feel like, you know, you can kind of palm the GoPro Hero 9 and get some B-roll that way without being real obvious. And then you can also do some vlogging with it. But again, if you get some wind, that's where things get a little tricky. So the wind's very light here, but it's enough to be somewhat of a good test. So anyway, let's go ahead and do the media mod with the lav mic. Okay, so this test is pretty good because I'm walking into the wind and I'm right next to the water. This would even be better because the wind's behind me. What's nice is with the Osmo Pocket 2, right now I could switch the camera with the flick of a button and you'd be able to see the birds, kind of show you the birds. What's cool is that I can still do my audio because it's a lav mic, so that part is cool. There's the ocean itself, and there's actually surfers out here, although it's a little chilly today. So now the test is with the media mod. This is with the media mod, same location. I'm right next to the ocean, still going into the wind and then back out of the wind. So my back's to the wind right now. Actually get better light this way probably. But I anticipate that it's not going to be that great because there's lots of noise. Who knows if people even hear me. So that's a test with the media mod in the wind. I mean, this is pretty good wind now because I'm closer to the ocean. And you get the waves too. So it's the GoPro and its natural, you know, regular mic. Same place, you know, into the wind. Now I've got the wind behind me. And, you know, of course, whoa. Of course, we're right next to the water. That great because of the wind and, of course, the ocean. You're lucky to hear me. So, but that's what it sounds like. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, this is my last test. And, of course, this is using the Pocket 2. Go in the same location. Oh, there's the birds again. There you can see the little birds. This is going behind. Now I've got the wind behind me. And now I'm going into the wind. And of course, right next to the ocean. So you can see, you can hear what the audio is like with the Pocket 2. But now there's a bunch of people, so I'm going to stop. I'm doing the last part of this audio test with the GoPro Hero 9 in a lav mic because I'm figuring that's probably my best option for getting good audio. But that's what I like about the off season right now, going to these various places. I went to Cape Cod in the off season. I went here in the off season. I'm going to go one other place in the off season. And there's hardly anybody here. And it's really nice, but it's also kind of chilly and it's overcast and you know, there is that part of it. But the ocean's the ocean any day of the week, right? That's the audio test. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please do give it a like. And thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.